What stopped me from joining Kenny when I first saw him probably was the financial investment, because it's sort of like a big deal, and you know, it's a lot of money to invest in somebody to sort of like take you on a journey. So I just basically managed my expectations and sort of like had a look around at all the other mentors that were out there and sort of like got a feel for how they made me feel. And yeah, I think Kenny resonated with me because he was really down to earth, and I sort of like liked the package that he was offering, and he seemed, you know, like a normal guy that you can just text and reach out to and get an answer, and that is actually the case. What obstacles has Rise Up helped me overcome since starting the program? Confidence, knowledge, basically all the little things that I maybe thought I knew but actually didn't know. I've been able to, you know, find out, and it's, yeah, just sort of given me that kick up the bum that I needed to sort of make that first step, make those phone calls, put myself out there, and, you know, have the resilience to stay the distance. They're always there at the end of, you know, your fingertips. You can just write a message in the chat group and someone's going to get back to you. It's helped me build, you know, relationships with some of the mentees, so I can just reach out to them on WhatsApp or, you know, have a phone call, and the accountability partners has helped to no end as well. So yeah, it's been great. So I secured my first property within 4 months of joining the mentorship. I've secured my first deal. I've got a 5-bed HMO. I secured that a couple of months ago. So yeah, I did a good cosmetic refurb, lots of decorating, you know, bought some furnitures and stuff. Yeah, and the rooms are all filled now. So with the help of, you know, a couple of the mentees that I had to ask some advice, who've sort of like gone through it and they've, you know, got HMOs already, and with Kenny's help and advice, you know, I have a successful HMO. Helpful, inspiring, courageous. My expectations were pretty well met, I believe, because I had a chat with Kenny before actually joining up, and I was able to, you know, ask the relevant questions and sort of like know what to expect. So, and that also helped me make my decision to join up. Just do it. If you want to get into property and you want a network of people that are already doing it at various levels, we're all helpful, you know, we want to see each other win. So yeah, just join.